Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Today I have a very special Alice in Wonderland item for you. It says so on the box. It's a limited edition. There are only 7,900 of them. So that's not really that limited, but for Disney that's not, probably it's limited. This is just one of them. And the day before this went on sale on Shop Disney, I thought I need to be ready for this because I really want one. And, well, let's just say life got in the way and I just wasn't there that morning. I couldn't order this and I completely forgot. And that afternoon I thought, oh my goodness, I wanted to buy one. I forgot. So I had to buy it on Marktplaats, which is a Dutch auction site. And I paid just a little bit more for it. It was very expensive. But actually it was a gift from my mom. At least I see it as a gift from my mom. My mom passed away this February from COVID, and the kids, we all got a little bit of money and we all decided to buy something really nice. So my sister bought a purse because my mom loved purses. I bought this. Look at this. Now I know my mom would have loved this. She would have thought it's a silly thing to spend so much money on. But if it makes you happy, honey, I love it. And she would have really loved it. So I'm so happy. This is, yeah, got this from my mom. So look at the box, guys. The box is insane. When I got this, to be honest, I thought it would be Barbie sized, like this. No, it's huge. I should have had a Barbie over here so you could see it. But the Barbie comes up to here. And yeah, it's a little bit bigger. You can see my kitchen over there. It's so big I can't even show you in one frame. So I have to go all the way back so you can see it. Yes, I still need to declutter that. Okay. I'm gonna show you every little detail because, like I said, the box, look at this, look at the gold over here and then the beautiful doll. But the box is amazing. And it says Alice in Wonderland 70 years. It's art by Mary Blair. So I'm going to show you up close. This is the art, the concept art, I think you call it. Mary Blair made for the movie. And look at it. Over here you can see her as well. And this is just so gorgeous. So I think I'm going to leave this in the box. Look at this side of the box. Now over here it has the story of the celebration of Alice in Wonderland 70 years. And over here it's in French. And here you see the White Rabbit. And so this is all Mary Blair art. And it's just gorgeous. Look at it. The little flowers over here. So I am going to open this because it is very easy to open. You can just pull the ribbon. It's hard to close because I'm not good with making bows. But to open it's very easy. And then you just lay it down. I'm gonna do that off camera, otherwise I'll break it. Just a second. By the way, you can carry it with this because over here you can also look inside. It is a beautiful display. So because this is so beautiful, looks like Snow White now. You can just take this off very easily, even with one hand. Look at it. So then you got this thing. Oh, you got this thing. And then you've got her in this plastic. Now this I need to do with two hands, so I'm gonna, wait a minute. Have her stand up again. And you can just take this out. Wait a minute, you will see this part. I'll just take it out. It's very easy. If you got two hands and have her laying down. Wait, just a second. I'm gonna put her down again. And take this off. So you can take this out as well. So where she's standing on, you can take, well, let me show you. Just like this, so you can unbox her and take all of this off. But I like the way she looks when she's in this display. Okay, phew, that was a lot to do with one hand. But even with one hand, it's very easy to take out. But I'm going to leave her in this display because she looks so awesome and the display is so beautiful that, well, I'm not really sure. For now, I'm just gonna leave her in, but maybe one day I might take her out and you can just put her back in here very easily. So, because you have her over here, she's stuck to a bit of plastic, but you just can take this off. She's very easy to take out. So I might just take her out. I'm not really sure. But for now, like I said, I'm gonna leave her in this beautiful packaging. But look at her. Look at her face. Now this, of course, is not the cute little Alice that we know. This is a teenage Alice. But she's so gorgeous. And then look at this cute little necklace. Actually, it's a... Is it a necklace? Because it's actually like a real pocket watch, only around her neck, because it's over here with a little glittery thing. It's fixed over here. Then you have the pocket watch, and I have no idea where this is going. Somewhere over here. I don't want to mix it up, but look how beautiful that is. So, and then you've got this beautiful see-through part. It feels a bit like organza, I don't know how you pronounce that. And this is velvet. It's really gorgeous. But guys, look at that face. If it wants, it's so gorgeous. It doesn't want to focus. She's got real eyelashes and she's got such beautiful makeup. It's just so beautiful. And I like the way she poses, by the way. The hands like this. It's just so gorgeous. So then you have the skirt. Guys, the skirt is amazing. So there's gold stitching over here. All kinds of beautiful flowers. And they really are bread and butterflies. I thought they looked like normal butterflies, but it is the bread and butterfly. It's so gorgeous. So there are a couple of them on her skirt, also on the other side. Look at it. And look at that hair. Oh, it's so beautiful. I think it's so gorgeous. You can see the hair better over here. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Anyway, and then this one curl over here. I just love it. I just think it's so gorgeous. I was so surprised when I got this. Because like I said, I paid quite a lot for it because I was too late. But oh well. And look at this. Oh boy, this is so... You know me, I love sparkly dots. And there are lots of dots on here. But look at this art, guys. It's all the flowers from Mary Blair. It's so gorgeous. I want to dress like this. If I wore dresses. But look at this. I would wear something like this. If they made some in my size and it would fit, I would wear it. It's awesome. It's not your everyday kind of clothing because it is so beautiful stitched, and there's gold on here and glitters. These of course are gems. This is crystals or diamonds or something, but they're little glitters. Not in real life, of course, they're not real diamonds, but they're cute little glitters. Now this skirt is, there are little stitches over here and over here. So it stays like this, and I'm just gonna leave it like that because it is so beautiful. But she's also got a skirt underneath, which is really awesome. A petticoat. And guys, look at this. I love this so much. She's got cute flowers on her ankles. Lovely shoes, and then these cute flowers. I mean, isn't it gorgeous? I think it's so gorgeous. So yeah, I really want to take her out now because it is so beautiful. But I do not really have a spot for her yet. So also, as long as I don't really have a nice spot, I'm just gonna keep her in the box. But it's okay because the box is gorgeous. This is actually the first time that I really look at her up close. I took it out to see if she would, you know, I unboxed it like this to see if she was okay, if it was a nice, if there wasn't anything on her face or anything torn or whatever. But she was okay. And then I just put her back. I just can't believe how beautiful this is. I just put her back in, and she has been standing on top of my new craft corner for a while because I've been wanting to film this for a while, but somehow I just really couldn't. Maybe it's because I got this from my mom, and that makes it extra special and a bit harder to film. But yeah, we're a few months further because I have had this for I think 2 or 3 months already. 2 months, I don't know, quite a while. But she is gorgeous, and like I said, I know my mom would have loved it. If I would have taken it out of the packaging like this, she would have loved this. And guys, if you watch my creative videos, you know I love lots of dots and glitter and stuff. So yeah, like I said, I would wear this. Isn't it gorgeous? Now I would love to know, what would you do? Would you take her out of the box or leave her in the box? I always find that hard to decide because you want to enjoy it, you want to look at it, and so you need to unbox stuff to really enjoy it. But then the value goes down and you don't want that because one day you might want to sell it again. But who am I kidding? I don't want to sell this again. Even if I would stop collecting Alice in Wonderland, I would never sell this because I got this from my mom and because she is so beautiful. But the display box is very, very beautiful. So like I said, I'm gonna keep her in the box for a while. But what would you do? This is a box that I'm gonna keep. If I would unbox her and put her on a shelf just as beautiful as this, then I would keep the box. Because if I would free her from all this plastic over here, because there's a lot of plastic over here, but that's to make sure that she keeps standing like this. And look at her feet, I just love the way she stands. Anyway, if I would take her out, then I would keep the box because it is just so beautiful, and you never know if you want to put it back in the box again, because this box is really a display box. That's what I wanted to say. Took me a while to get there, but this is really a display box. So I am going to show her up close one more time because she's just so gorgeous, but then I'm gonna put everything back and put her in her display box again. But then I'm gonna find a nice spot in my collection room because she's been standing in my living room, but now it's time for her to go to the collection room. That sounds like I've got a huge house. I've got a collection room, guys, an Alice room, yes I do. And my husband has a library. Oh dear. That's because the kids left the house. Okay, anyway. Okay, here we go. Look how gorgeous. Look at that bow and look. Guys, isn't she gorgeous? Even if you're not an Alice in Wonderland fan. Or if you are and you don't think she looks like Alice because it's just a teenager. I think she looks like Alice. I think this is Alice, the Disney Alice when she grows up. But I want to say, even if you're not a fan, you must admit this is gorgeous. All the details. Oh my goodness. And I just absolutely love these flowers. And the petticoat coming out from under her skirt. It's just gorgeous. And you know this is actually the best part. Well, not the best part, but I really love that they did this. The best part is, I don't know, what's the best part? Everything. It's just so gorgeous. But now it's time to put her back in her display. That sounds really sad, but no it isn't, because then I can enjoy her a bit better and she won't get dusty. And again guys, it's very simple to put her back, except for the bow. Because what you do is you just put her down and then put this back with one hand. I can do this. No I can't, just a second. Okay, I've got this back on and now I'll just put this back on very easily. And now I need to get the ribbon. Now that's a bit harder, but I can do it. I just can't film it because I need two hands. Yeah, it's not as beautiful as it was when it got here, but it's okay. And look, she's back in her beautiful display. Let me turn it around. It's just so gorgeous. So guys, this was just a short video of just one item, but as well you can imagine, a very special item for me. And I love this to bits. It's just so gorgeous. So yeah guys, I would love to know what you think of this gorgeous Alice. And if you like the video, I would love a thumbs up. And of course, you know I would love it if you subscribe, if you're not already subscribed. And please hit the notification bell so you get notified of new videos. I've got Alice in Wonderland videos every Saturday and creative videos every Monday. And then if I have something to show you, like declutter videos or stuff, I'll show you in between. So that's it for today. I'm gonna find a really nice spot for this one. She's so gorgeous. Okay, so all that's left to say now is groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland.